Sabi ko, pag nag-wake up call, bawal na matulog.
Tapos walang magawa. That's what's hard. It's hard to stay awake when you have nothing to do and you're tired.
Oo.
When you have something, you have no choice.
Depende rin. If you have something and it's nakakapagod, tulog ka pa rin. Kahit yung jump rope, ang ginagawa namin, practice ko rin.
So, bawal matulog, ti. God's Kuya. Lahat ng nag-jump rope, tulog, no? Mali.
No.
Galing, activity.
Takbo lang.
Parang mag-radio.
Mamaya.
Mamaya.
Darkness here.
Away ng medyo lalo natutulog. With no care for despair. Jesus of fire makes the bright sky is young. The
like giving
Jesus
us-
asleep on the hand.
Erica was so good. Hey. In darkness, he is all I
Nagsiswimming na si Carlo.
Hindi ko alam. Swimming tayo? Mag-gym na lang ako.
Oo. Ano pa siya?
Parang walang ligtas.
Hindi natin alam.
Baka meron na.
Pinakagrabe na si Iklitas.
Yun din yung nakakapagod na week. Ay parang, nalala mo yun, Jess, yung parang wala tayong ginagawa, tapos parang lahat nandito na, tapos parang yun din
Yun, dapat
sabi ni Kuya na,
yun.
oy, walang matutulog, ganito, ganyan. Diba? Pero every now and then, at least meron tayong tone ko, meron tayong,
Magaling si Kat.
sige, feeling ko, sinasadya ni Kuya
Nanalo
Ingrid
naman
na
tayo.
less yung sleep natin kagabi, tapos hindi tayo matulog ngayon, kasi
Kung ano
may mangyari.
Napanoorin
Nangyari
niyo.
pa
That was.
Pagod tayo.
In darkness, he is all I see.
Ang cute ni Pam.
Spam mo na ito kasi groggy talaga pag ganyan.
Nalangin ko sa habang buhay.
Remember Mama Liz was reading the book?
Bam, tulog.
She was like, grabe yung coffee noon. Walang, creamer.
And then she blamed it on the book. If I read, I fall asleep.
Other than,
That's what I used to fall asleep. Darkness, he is all I see. Wake up on Sunday morning.
nung previous seasons ba, as in,
Ang bigat
bukas
sa ulo.
lahat.
Ang bigat sa ulo.
Oo.
Ang bigat sa ulo.
Anong bukas lahat?
Sobrang laki
Mabigat.
ng bahay.
Oo.
Yung first,
Basta
lack of
connect,
sleep.
ay hindi konektado yung
Wala na,
mismong
wala.
activity area. Yun talaga yung activity area, yung malaki.
true.
Yun lang yung
I will work
nakasarap.
out.
Pero
Okay.
yan, ang laki talaga. Malaki talaga yung house.
diba may isang
I
best,
don't think you'll get tired. Hindi na
Alaga
enough
sila
food
ng
and then
kamay.
enough
Oh, that's
energy.
why
dun
I
yun.
want to, but like I'm in the mood, like I have the motivation to
Sa
work
Garden
out.
apple yun, no?
Okay, man.
But I might.
Garden
I
Ano
don't
apple.
think
gusto
there's
ko
enough.
yan? Wala tayong energy, wala tayong food. Pagkatapos,
Before garden pa yun eh. Yung
mag-exert ka na
activity
effort mo na
area.
sa sakit sa
Parang diretso
Sakit
doon.
sa ano.
Basta malaki yun. Good area, garden. And they had a
Ikaw,
room
enough yung
area.
breakfast para sa'yo.
I think 2.
Meron lang saging pa?
Remember just the
Ano
thing
yun?
Anong kakain tayo sa
It
tanghalian?
was just like a thing that
Wala.
was like this.
Gulay lang?
Ngayon, dalawa na activity area.
Ah. Sino nag-knock? Oh, man. If that person comes back, where's the meat? Ah,
Oo, kahit may food sana, pwede pa.
should have left at least 2 hot dogs. Ah.
Dapat nag-iwan pa lang ng hotdog sa closet ko. Ako kung gusto nyo, pero wala akong energy. Sayang ang energy natin. Gusto wala tayong food.
What will I do? I'll count your push-ups.
You can stop whenever.
1,
You can
2,
stop whenever.
There's no like.
You're so good.
3, huh?
There's no like things.
Like things?
Oo.
Fires.
Ano yan?
$17 na ngayon. Yep.
Floaters?
More than halfway through January. Totoo lang, hindi ko na-expect na nandito.
Oh,
It's true.
I thought I was leaving last week. We thought we were leaving last week. Oh.
Boy A hits boy.
We were
girl.
separated.
And then if you, I know.
Yeah, the sun is out.
If they say it in the news, diba, then
Itong ako.
you just ruined it.
Itong ayaw ko yung pag gumigising ako ng trabaho.
Chris Brown, diba?
I'm hungry.
Korean. Oh. Tapos na balita.
Kuya, please, kahit isang hotdog lang.
Okay. Ibig sabihin ng slander. Pag nagsulat ka daw ng isang bagay or nagbalita ka ng isang bagay about sa tao na makakasira ng reputation.
Massage?
Tama.
So comfy.
Kahit si kuya.
I like this. I'm gonna get 10.
Oo nga pala, I used to be there.
They gave me a lightning. Like,
So, mangyayari, tulog lahat.
Kaya gagawin natin.
At least may pinag-usapan tayo, may
But we're
gumagalaw
not the place.
sa bahay.
I like
Hindi
it.
parang patay lahat.
It's the first time I've
hapon, di ba? Hindi tulog lahat.
Ha? Tulog lahat yun.
I've never
Ano kasi
ever.
magawa niya?
Oras na para kumain at
Oh my gulay!
At least may araw.
Guys, let's all chop one thing. So we have lots of things to wash. And, thank you.
Ito yung mga